In this video I will tell you that how to fix verification code not received on your phone. So, if you are trying to get the verification code on your phone, then in this video I will tell you that how you can actually fix this. So for this, you need to open up your settings, then you need to open up your apps, then you will tap on See All Apps, and then you will search for Messages, because we are getting the verification code on our Messages app, so we will fix this. So you will open up the Messages app here, and then you need to actually clear the cache and clear the storage of your Messages app. So you will clear the cache from here, and now if you want you can also clear the storage. And if this still does not actually fix your problem, then you can actually go to the Play Store and search for Messages here. And then you actually need to update or try to reinstall this Messages app. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.